Huh. Interesting. Sue, I've noticed something. We've already built a lot of houses, right?
Yep. So what?
But somehow all of them are two-story.
Maybe. And?
It means that each of us gets one floor. And that means that you don't want to live with me, since you always build only 2 floors.
Sammy, did you sign up for the cheapest psychology course? That's nonsense. Okay, let's build a house with just 1 floor so you don't think that way.
Oh no, 1 floor is a step back. Plus, we need to take a break from each other from time to time. Here, look.
Let me see.
Let's make a 3-story house. Everyone gets 1 floor and 1 will be shared.
Oh, let's give it a try. Hi guys, today we'll add a 3-story house to our collection. So let's begin. We'll start with the base and walls as usual. I already made the hole for the door on the wall. Let's fix it like this. Also, check out this musical mechanism. We'll hear it a bit later.
Sue, I'm more into decor, you know. I forgot how we make the walls.
Oh, Sammy. We've assembled so many houses and you still don't know how to make the walls?
Yeah, I'm a good-for-nothing. Very embarrassing.
Oh, come on, don't be so hard on yourself. Better watch closely, it's quite easy. I glued the wallpapers here and now I'll insert the window like this.
Okay, I got it. And next we'll glue the frames, right?
Correct. Since you remember it, then we'll do some magic. Here you go. So, Sammy, now you understand how to make the walls?
Susan, I pranked ya. I already prepared all the walls.
Sammy! Your acting talent really persuaded me.
Maybe I can become an actor! Or is it too late? Wait, no, who will be the main builder of the house and make everything?
Well, at the moment, I'm making everything and arranging the first floor while you're being so proud of yourself. I already glued all the furniture in the bathroom. Look!
Not so fast, Susan. Now the bathroom will become way cooler.
Well, very interesting, Mr. Boss.
Like this. Now I'll show you what a perfect job means. Here. Here. Anyone would love to bathe in such a place.
Great, Sammy, and I also didn't sit around.
Actually, I made something for the kitchen so the food always stays warm.
Looks like a competition. Right, Sammy? Then this is my move. So the food stays fresh, it also needs the storage, a fridge. Oh, yeah. And also this cupboard. Huh. What you say?
And I took care about the coziness and hung a painting.
Thanks, but a washing machine, for example, is more important to me.
Okay, let's stop this competition and work as a team.
Mind you, it wasn't me who started it, Sammy, but good idea. I'm totally for it. So, thanks for the flowers. They'll look great here. Great!
Okay, Susie, you can be the boss and I will be your deputy and also the chief of thumbs ups and subscriptions department.
What? And how will your department work?
First goes a bit of magic.
Wow.
And now, dear colleagues, I ask you to hurry up and give a thumbs up under this video.
Well, you can't disobey a boss like that. We'll also do some tea magic.
I really wish we could organize a tea party with the most loyal subscribers. But we don't have enough chairs.
Maybe sometime in the future, Sammy, but for now, let's install the staircase that will lead us to the next floor, like this. We'll also finish with the walls. Here comes the first one, second, and third.
Such beauty should be protected with walls.
So, guys, we're already finishing with the first floor. This way we'll attach the lamp to the ceiling of the first floor. And, don't forget, guys, ask an adult to help you with electricity and wires. So it's high time to move to the second floor of our house.
Come on, Sue, I have something to impress you with, and everyone here.
I can't wait to see your creations, but for now, we'll install the floor of the second floor. There you go. Let's connect the floor to the roof like this. Sammy, what are you carrying there?
I set up a collection of the best books. There's Jules Verne and Robert Louis Steve. Well, I mean the best ones.
I see that you didn't manage to read all of the books while assembling the bookcase.
Well, then it's my chance to come back to the second floor with some coffee and get into the world of books.
To make you feel even cozier, I'll put this lamp here. And the most comfortable way to read is lying on a soft sofa. Hop.
It became really comfortable just now.
Hey, don't fall asleep in all of this comfort.
Actually, day sleep is very good for you.
Maybe, but not when it replaces reading. Here, our book corner is finished. And we're working with the wires again. This needs to be done carefully and with the adults. This lamp will be right there.
It's not a room, but a kingdom of light.
Are you afraid that the light will bother your sweet dreams, Sammy?
I'm not implying anything, but... the bed that I assembled looks awesome here.
Sammy, you're something. Let's add a bit of decor. And also another wall for extra coziness.
Such a pretty room. I can watch lots of sweet dreams here.
Okay, let's move to the third floor. Of course, I already connected the wires very carefully.
Sue, I prefer beautiful and spectacular chandelier to not some subtle lamps.
Oh, you're a natural Earl, Mr. Samius.
You forgot to glue the railing, Susie.
Oh yeah, thanks, Sammy. We need to do it like this. I couldn't do without you. Like this. And here we'll install the staircase with railing. Now we'll start arranging the kids' room.
I made one of my favorite toys, the Rubik's Cube. By the way, the creator of this toy spent a month trying to assemble it.
In the meantime, I assembled the bunk bed everyone dreams of in their childhood.
I'm an expert in kids' rooms. Give me a sec.
Okay, I'll wait.
Whoosh. Now, even a picky kid will fall in love with this room.
You did a great job arranging it, Sammy. Let's finish with the outer part. I'll assemble the roof real quick, which we'll install later. To the ceiling, we'll attach this cute helicopter lamp.
Yeah, this roof has quite unusual construction, as I can see.
Yes, Sammy, this roof is unusual and pretty, right? Let's install it now. There you go. And the second part.
Incredible! Sue, does this mean that our house is ready?
No, Sammy. We'll move to the last part now. The guest house. But first we'll install the safety railing. And another one on the first floor.
Sue, I've already made the wires there. Do you want to have a look?
Of course I do. Is that all you did, Sammy? Ugh.
What's the problem, Susie? Then do it yourself.
Here, guys. We've covered all the wires with sticky tape. But how would you do it? Right, together with an adult. Look, Sam, it had to be done neatly like this.
You're the best, Sue.
And now we're getting to the last stage of the assembling. And we're gonna build the guest house. I guess Sammy prepared something interesting again. I can't wait to see.
Has it ever happened where Sam prepared something boring?
You're speaking in the third person again. That's never good. But I can see your delicate nature in all its splendor. The Eiffel Tower looks awesome here. And I didn't leave an empty space in the center of the room for nothing. It will be taken by a pool table.
The design here is quite stern. An interesting solution, Susan.
We'll place the floor of the second story with connected wires like this. Let's add the walls to make our construction sturdier.
Sue, we already have a library. But I guess something's still missing.
Maybe we need a room with movies and music. And I can guess where you'll be spending most of your time. Done. We only need to finish the walls and the roof of our guest house. Here, I was really careful about the wires. Guys, remember about that.
Sue, I can't wait to move to the final decor. Let's speed it up a little.
Yay, done! Now let's connect the parts of our house. First, we'll place the main part right here. And now we'll work again with wires and lamps. Let's glue the pool lighting as well so it looks exceptionally beautiful.
I better stay away and not distract Sue. One has to be careful with wires.
There you go, we finished with gluing. Now let's cover them.
And I made the actual pool, and there are no wires here. Here you go.
Thanks, Sammy! We'll place it right here. And now we'll add the second part of our house. Let's make a small connecting part between the two buildings.
And I'll start decorating the patio.
A piano will make any house more elegant. Guys, it would be awesome if you learned to play this instrument. We'll also finish with the railing real quick.
Sue, look how I arranged the patio of our house.
These are small but very important details. Great, Sammy.
And here we have a bigger but also important patio tea table.
Let's add a beautiful tree here. Hop. And another one. The corner's ready.
Then we shall add stones too so the trees don't look naked.
In the other corner, we'll install this street lamp with wires.
Looks cool.
And a little more attention to the kids. Hop.
I like this kind of attention. I better test the quality of these rides.
Now let's install the fence and the gate real quick. Our house will be protected by this cute doggo. We just need to arrange these beautiful flowers. And add the house number.
With lighting, it looks even better.
Guys, try to build the same 3-story house yourself. It's so much fun.
And very useful. Same as hitting the bell button under the video so you won't miss any of our crafts. Oh, and we also have a music mechanism. Let's turn it on.
Okay, Sammy. I already forgot about it, so... guys, thanks for being with us. And
Bye-bye.